Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a little bit of a different video. This is just going to be a quick video shoot of my 29 Ford Roadster that I built. This was one of the first kits that I actually customized after coming back into the hobby after 20 plus years of being out of it. And this was the reissued kit from Revell that came out a couple years ago. It's a well-made kit, a well-molded kit, lots of extra parts and options, and a fun kit to build. I really had a great time building this kit and then customizing it. And the inspiration, when I originally bought the kit, I wasn't sure how I wanted to build it. I didn't want to build it just like it is on the box. And I had looked up a couple other builds that people have done and just trying to get an idea. And then finally my inspiration came one day when I was going through some of my old stuff. I came across a set of old decals from a kit that I never built from a long time ago. It was an old monogram kit of a 1/64 scale OS2U Kingfisher, which is a old World War II Navy plane that could land on the water. Cool kit, and someday I may try to get that kit again and build it. But I had these decals and I thought, hey, what if I do a Roadster with a theme of a World War II fighter plane? Great. So I set to work and it really came out nice. It was, again, really fun to do because I wasn't trying to make it look like something on a box or in a picture. It was just in my mind's eye, and I just kind of let it go, and it really came out great. So I didn't do any video of this build, but I have lots of stills, so I'm just going to run you through the stills with some information along the way, and then after the stills we'll come back and I'll give you a quick rundown. So without further ado, here we go. so there we have it, and here it is in all its glory. My 29 Roadster, done up in a World War II fighter plane theme. Again, really great kit to build. I think I'm probably going to get another one of these and do it in a different theme possibly. Not sure. I really like how this one came out. Again, it was just a really fun kit to do, and going to do a lot more like this in the future. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching the videos, and if you wouldn't mind, if you want to leave a comment down below, or maybe tell me about some mods that you've done on your 29 Fords, I'd love to hear them. And please like, please subscribe, and you know, I really hope that if you're building models out there that you're enjoying it and having fun, because that's what it's all about. And so yeah, with that, we're going to wrap this video and just go out there and build something.